Hi judges, I'm Suresh. CivicAPI is a minimal secure bills workflow. Upload a bill, file or fields, list and filter, mark as paid, and notify via console, SMS, or in WhatsApp. It is built for reliability and auditability. Using FastAPI plus SQLite behind Nginx with Let's Encrypt and a strict content security policy. Now I'm going to upload these two files, text file. One is vendor underscore old food, another one is judge underscore demo. Both are $3,500 and $3,000. Okay, I'll just upload here. First I will take judge demo, $3,000, say OK and upload it. It's unpaid, uploaded here. Now one more we will take, vendor whole food, $3,500, 0.45, open and say upload file. The bill is unpaid. It is stored here. Both the bills are stored here. And if you want to mark paid, you have to click it paid. Here mark paid, and you can notify. I wanted to make it into console, and I will click it. I want to make it to console. I will check now my console. This is my Namecheap server. See, both the two records are uploaded. So this bill number start with marked as paid. See, 3,545 start with CD69. So the notification was directly sent to the console instead of 1H or WhatsApp. If you are given 1H key or WhatsApp key, whatever it is, it should have gone there. And I can also show the smoke test is completed. So I have written in it all the curl file. So it has run and it is completed. I have written all the codes. Now you can see it is reflecting here also. And you can see unpaid here. So these are the thing, unpaid, and you can see paid, and you can see cancelled. Nothing has been done, so it's wrong. So Nginx terminates TLS and enforce CSP using parses API to FastAPI, and we store it in SQLite. The UI is plain HTML with JavaScript, no inline script. So that's all the presentation. Thank you very much.